so far. And, just to start, just want to thank all of our existing partners out there, right? So gracious for you on our journey here together, really for the whole market, right? This is the most exciting moment, one of the most exciting moments, if not the most exciting moments in IT services history for you guys and your business history. Think about it. Like, when has there been a time where all the conditions of fear, uncertainty, cyber, risk insurance policy, denials, and questions that are leading for denial to, all of the compliance, requirements like the recent FTC GLBA that hits December 9th that puts customers, in scope for personal, actual damages plus potential jail time for CPA firms, insurance companies, and so on. This is your opportunity to become a security-focused organization and drive a premium MRR, right? This is the biggest pivot that we're experiencing now. We are all security people now. We all have to deliver security services. That is our focus. That is our goal. That is our direction. So, at Todyl, we're really excited about what we've built. We built something, and our partner is very excited as well, an all-in-one networking and security platform, unifying networking and security. Yeah, you guys all have really great networking skills and some really great security skills. This is a natural progression to this. We're just bringing it together into a single platform. So we'll go through a lot of the different capabilities that we do and why we do what we do. And then importantly, I'm going to talk through some use cases as well. So this big pivot, your focus to become, secure IT services and how you deliver, how you engage with your client, how do you sell, how do you position, how do you provide and deliver. It's a big change, right? So it's a change from this whole, and I lived in the trenches as well, like you guys. We've lived in a reactive operating mode for far too long, right? RMMs, over-tooling, all this has created a whack-a-mole business model where we have to get an alert, a notification of a problem that already happened, and then we got to go beat it down with a mallet. That's when I woke up in the morning and cursed the sky every day for whatever dumpster fire hit, right? We don't need that anymore. The security is meant to be preventative, proactive. Let's make sure problems don't happen in the first place. And the beautiful, cool thing about that, what that allows you to do is you get to go to your customers now and say, hey, I'm going to be more, probably more pricey, expensive than the rest of the vendors or, MSPs that are going to come knocking on your door. They're going to come in and talk about all these fancy tools and capabilities and things that they're going to install to protect you. How can they demonstrate that they're protecting you? How can they be experts in 3 or 4 or 5 or 10, 20 plus products, installation, configuration, and management of all these tool sets, right? You can't. What if there's an issue? Where do they swivel to? What screen do they go to? And that's what I mean. It's like you can't be an expert in everything, but you need access to expertise. And that's what we built here is a unified networking and security platform with, guess what? A single agent. And absolutely blow away the competition because this is a security conversation. You're going to your customers and you're saying, hey, I want to help keep your business stores open for business. I don't want to just keep your lights on. That's commodity. Anybody can do it. If you just want your IT lights on, I'm not your guy. I want to keep your business doors open. I want peace of mind. I want to be able to sleep at night. So what we've done is we've built, an enterprise leading capabilities into, a single platform. And when I say enterprise leading, what I mean is the same attack methods, the same techniques, the same approach that the biggest threat actors use in the world to attack governments, to attack the biggest brands in the world. They're using those same attack methods for the small, medium-sized business Main Street client. It just happens to be called ransomware as a service on the dark web, right? So what we've done is SASE, Zero Trust Networking, true Zero Trust Networking. We built, the SASE platform and had an 80-page patent before Gartner called it SASE. And, this Zero Trust Networking access, this is all 4 principles. Everyone throws around Zero Trust, right? There are 4 specific distinct principles of Zero Trust. We nail all 4, plus all the attributes of SASE. This is your own cloud-based firewall, your own software-based firewall, layer 7, IDS, IPS, SSL inspection, deep packet inspection, AV malware scanning on the wire, MFA on anything and everything, the NAS device, the file share, the QuickBooks RDP, lock down the LAN, lock down the internet. This is, you control the access of who gets access to what, when, where, how long, and if they have to verify their identity inside a Zero Trust network, hidden from the internet to keep your customers safe and protected. that only they have access to. Anybody gets their credentials popped, threat actor can't get in. So very cool. Check that out. Also, SIEM. SIEM's going to be one of the more powerful things that you have going into 2023. How can you improve what you?
Like we've got a little connectivity.
We want it in there because we want you to use data, knowledge as power, find answers faster, and also detect, prevent. There's a really cool maturity model I see with our partners. First, know what they don't know. Do I have any squirrels or gremlins or dormant, threat actor activity just sitting out there I'm not aware of? Boom, you're going to see that stuff. You want to go find a fast answer for a level 1, level 2, or escalation engineering ticket. You have all the data. Go drill down and find it. See all the password reset failures or whatever it is. If you want to go push the line of prevention further and further and further away from your organization, hey, yeah, create a detection rule in IT Glue. Anytime somebody creates a run book, you want to be notified, right? Or anytime somebody ships a laptop out the door with admin credentials on it, yeah, I'll let you know. So we also have EDR Next Gen AV. The EDR Next Gen AV is endgame. We wanted to bring one of the most mature, best EDR Next Gen AV to the market. All the EDRs these days are all kind of jockeying for the minute percentile of differences. And then ours is all about, protecting, against the ransomware, of course, protecting against the malware, but importantly, in-memory and hostile project hijacking, because that's what, threat actors are using today. MXDR, Managed Detection and Response Service. We wanted to make something special here. This is all about, being, your expert from a security SecOps 24/7 SOC SIEM team. We review every ticket for you and with you. We're in a shared Teams or Slack channel, whichever you prefer, with you all the time. We create that dividing line of where you want us to go ahead and take action on your behalf versus wake you up and get your approval. This is a very intimate MDR service that goes across the ecosystem. All of the ingestions we have, we're not just focusing on EDR. We're not just focusing on 365. What else do you got? What else do you bring in? So we do a lot here, land zero trust and governance risk compliance. I could go on for quite a bit, but this is a single agent, right? So one agent to do it all, very low CPU consumption. You don't have to beef up your RAM with all those extra agents you have to put on for all the other tooling and over tooling that you do. It integrates with identity, so you can create password policies on whatever you got. And then you can mix and match based on the risk profile. In-office workers, certain stack, remote workers, another stack, executives, another stack, and so on. But you can create whatever combination you want. You don't have to throw out your own tools. So if you love SentinelOne or if you love Defender or whatever else it is, yeah, we can pull on that data. That's all good. You don't have to use our EDR. Ours happen to have, more visibility and more control, but, use whatever you got, mix and match it. Start with one thing. That's it. Or add it all and replace your whole stack.
There, you got like 15 seconds to close it out.
All right, 15 seconds, 4 journeys, SOC, SIEM, MXDR, SIEM, SASE, Zero Trust Networking, Next Gen AV, and EDR, and then all in one, rip and replace. But really just come and check us out, talk to us, get a 30-minute demo, talk to one of our experts. We're going to change your world, transform your business, help you go to the next level, drive more, drive premium MRR, scale. Let's all rise the tide of the MSP channel together to be the best and get paid what we deserve.